Welcome back, guys, to Julia Beauty and Style. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. This particular video has the best style I've ever compiled in this channel. Guys, this is the latest style. When I mean latest, these styles these styles kind of like invoked towards late 2021 and early 2022. Guys, you just have to watch this video to the end. I have the latest, the best style here. Cornrow, boss braid, even the jungle braids. There's this beautiful kind of jungle braid in this channel. Please watch this video till the end. You just have to watch it. Don't miss out on this video. Don't miss out on this style. I know definitely you will see numerous of styles that you will love in this channel. I don't have old styles in this video, this particular video. There's no old style here. These styles are just new styles, trendy styles, gorgeous styles, beautiful, gorgeous styles. Yes, guys, please, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, hello, my name is Julia. So you're welcome to Julia Beauty and Style. What do I do here? I do compilation videos, not just compilation videos. I also do product review, hair product review. Just know that my channel is basically my compilation videos, basically for educational purpose. What do I mean by educational purpose? Is to give you styles ideas if you run out of styles. So if you're the type that like braiding, like conrolling, like making your hair, yes, it's not easy. Sometimes you just go out of style idea. Just as sometimes you just feel like, okay, what will I eat today? I'm tired of eating this, I'm tired of eating that. What will I eat today? So it happens also in choosing the type of hair your hair next updo. Yeah, so that is where my channel comes in, to help you streamline your search, to help you choose the best, the most trendy hairstyle that you can ever get out there. Yes, I have all wrapped up in this channel. This particular video, you will not be disappointed. For the hairstyles I have compiled in this video, just take out your time and watch it till the end. This is another one of the jungle braids. Beautiful jungle braids. I love this color, orange, burnt orange color. This is so beautiful. Yes, I have another pattern of jungle braids that you will see at the end of this video, towards the end of this video. All you just need is just take out your time, grab your popcorn or your coffee, watch and watch and watch. If you have any questions, just ask. All you need to do is screenshot any of this hairstyle you like in this video. Screenshot it, send it to your stylist that you want this hairstyle. And if you are a stylist, you want me to feature you in my channel, just send me DM on my Instagram handle. My Instagram handle is in my about section. I will do it for free and I will give you full credit to it. Yes, guys. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, you have to subscribe because we're trying to get to 50,000 subscribers. It's possible this year. Yes, subscribe and also like this video. Your like, your thumbs up is very, very important. It helps my YouTube algorithm. Yeah, and also don't forget to share. You can share this video with your stylists. Yeah, your stylist can have this video so that when other clients, customers are coming to the shop, he or she can play it to get to see other better style. Because checking for style yourself online is not so easy, because you may not have this, you may not see the best style you want at your disposal. So that is where compilation videos help you streamline your search, gives you that best of the best hair that you've always wanted to do. So I have all wrapped up in this video. This is me, my locks hairstyle. I love this style. This is a distress lock. This is how I was able to style it. 4 ways that I was able to style my locks. If you want to see the full video of how this locks was made, check out my video. I have it in my playlist, where I had a playlist about my hair, how I braid my hair and the rest. Yeah, so a friend here in Poland helped me braid my hair, though I paid at affordable price. Yeah, so, and I kind of love this hair. I am in love with my hair. Yeah, this looks so beautiful. So I'm going to be wearing this hair for like maybe 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Yeah, hopefully, depends on when I get tired of my hair. And also I'm going to be doing video of how you can maintain the scalp of your hair, how you make it look beautiful and without build up on your scalp of your hair. So guys, I'm gonna see you in my next upload. Welcome back, guys. So thank you for watching my video down to this stage, and if you're a stylist, you want me to feature you in my channel, send me DM on my Instagram handle. I'm going to feature you in my channel for free. Yes, totally free. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.